Hey friends, welcome back to Simple Made Pretty. If your closet feels more like chaos than calm, you're going to love this. Today I'm sharing 10 affordable closet organizers that will transform your space in minutes. Most of these items are from Amazon, but I linked a few similar finds from Walmart and other stores, so you've got options. You'll find all the links in the description along with the full blog post. Let's get started. So first up, slim velvet hangers. These instantly save space, prevent clothes from slipping, and make your closet look cohesive. They're inexpensive and worth swapping your whole closet for. We established our wood hanger collection in our closet years ago, but if I had to replace all my hangers today, I'd go with the slim velvet hangers because they save so much space and keep clothes from slipping off. Next is a hanging jewelry organizer. I keep mine on the back of the closet door. It keeps necklaces and earrings untangled and makes it easy to see everything at a glance. Third are clear shoe boxes. They're stackable, they protect your shoes, and you can instantly see what you own. No more digging through piles of random boxes. Mine are actually from Dollar Tree. If you find these in your local Dollar Tree store, grab a couple. You can use them for shoes as well as other smaller accessories in your closet. Fourth, a good laundry hamper. This one is sturdy, it holds plenty and keeps dirty clothes off the floor, making laundry day way less overwhelming. We've had ours for over 14 years. I highly recommend this brand and style. Number 5, drawer dividers. These are amazing for things like socks, bras, and leggings. Everything has a spot and stays organized instead of turning into a jumble. At 6, we've got specialty hangers for scarves, belts, and accessories. They're inexpensive and keep those smaller items tidy instead of stuffed into a drawer. Number 7, under bed storage bins. I raved about these in another video that I made. Very affordable. They're perfect for off-season clothes and extras that don't need to take up precious closet space right now. Number 8, acrylic shelf dividers. They keep stacks of sweaters, jeans, or handbags standing up straight and looking neat. No more toppling piles. I also shared a hack on how these work with the Dollar Tree foam boards if you use foam boards on your closet wire racks. Ninth are boot shapers. These are a small purchase that make a big difference. Your tall boots stay upright, grease-free, and looking brand new. Dollar Tree hack, use a pool noodle if you don't want to invest in some boot shapers. Number 10, finally, motion sensor LED lights. They make such a big difference if your closet is dim or doesn't have built-in lighting. No more guessing at colors in the early morning. And here's a quick bonus tip. If you're a DIY lover, don't underestimate Dollar Tree bins. Almost 10 years ago, I made burlap wrap storage bins from Dollar Tree containers, and I still use them all over my home, including my closets. They're simple, affordable, and they last forever if you make them right. I have a short video tutorial showing exactly how I made them. I'll link that in the description if you'd like to try it. And that's it. 10 affordable closet organizers that can completely change the way your closet looks and functions. Remember, most of these are from Amazon, but I've linked similar finds from Walmart and other stores as well. So definitely check out the description and the full blog post so you can shop them all. And if you're ready to go beyond just the products, don't miss my latest video where I used ChatGPT to organize my closet and create a year's worth of outfits. It's a link right here on screen and down below. It'll show you how to pair these organizers with a system that actually works. And if this video helped bring clarity to your closet chaos, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss my next organizing tips. Thanks for watching, friend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.